Hey guys, today I'm gonna try to solve a Rubik's Cube under 2 minutes. As you can see, it's completely scrambled. There is no pattern to it. Also, to record my time, I'm gonna use a laptop stopwatch. As you can see, it's on 0. So let's get started. I'm gonna place my camera here so that you guys can see me solving. And generally you get 15 seconds to kind of see where the different colors are, but as I'm a beginner I really don't need to see much. So here we go, and I'm gonna click and get started. Woohoo! I actually did it under, wow, that's my best timing. I actually did it under 1 minute 30 seconds. Insane. uh Thanks guys. And this is how you solve a Rubik's Cube under 1 minute 30 seconds.